My fennel pear salad has such a great balance of flavors and textures with its maple syrup dressing. To start, we'll prepare our fennel by cutting off the bulb from the top part called the fronds. So cut it right off, and then cut the tip of the root off. Cut the bulb in half, and then in half again, and then make a diagonal cut to remove the core. Then separate the layers kinda like an onion, and then thinly slice each layer to get these nice thin slices of fennel for the salad. Then we'll continue by thinly slicing some red onion and some pear. Now that we've got our ingredients for the salad ready, we'll make our dressing. So in a small mason jar or a bowl, combine together your olive oil, and your maple syrup, your Dijon mustard, and the juice of about half of a lemon. I'll just freshly squeeze it right in the jar. And then some freshly cracked pepper, a pinch of salt. Then place the lid and give it a good shake. And there you go, you're ready to assemble your salad. Place your arugula on the plates. And then top with your fennel, your onion, your sliced pear, and then your feta cheese and your pecans. Right before serving, drizzle with your preferred amount of salad dressing, and serve. Thanks for watching! Find the recipe link in the description. Click on the icon to subscribe to our channel, and on the video for more recipes.